On today's episode of Taste Test, we are trying out every single pasta from the Cheesecake Factory. Last time we tried every single cheesecake. You guys loved it. We loved it. So we're back.
We're back.
Trying pasta better than ever because now the Cheesecake Factory follows both of us on Instagram.
Goals.
But what's your relationship with Cheesecake Factory pasta?
I've only had one pasta, the Louisiana chicken pasta, which I see here.
I don't really venture into the pasta section of the menu at the
It's
Cheesecake
daunting because
Factory.
there's a lot.
Just because I have my go-tos that aren't pasta that I
Right.
have to get every single time. But I'm ready now.
I'm happy that I'm with you trying these new things. It's gonna be great.
And also before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when we upload new videos.
Nothing's green besides the
basil.
wee bit of basil on top.
I wonder why it's called lasagna verde.
Maybe there's spinach inside? Zero green.
Yeah, there's no green in here, guys.
The flavor is not bad.
No, the flavor is really good. I'm not the biggest lasagna fan.
Yeah.
Like, I would rather have penne or spaghetti over lasagna.
Yeah.
But this is good.
Okay, not a bad start.
Yeah, it was good.
Is that pepperoni?
Ooh, there is some sausage in there for sure, some spaghetti.
It looks, yeah,
What's
that is
Ooh,
pepperoni. I like that.
Yeah, good.
Okay, I'm going back in.
Yeah, the pepperoni adds a really good flavor.
Oh, I'm into that. Friday night, takeout, couch, this. Don't at me for this. I don't love grilled chicken on pasta. I don't want to have to like start hacking away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
this,
I don't know.
This chicken looks good. This feels like a very classic, pasta. Like,
Right.
This is what you're ordering when you're taking your kids to the Cheesecake Factory and they're like, I just want pasta with tomato sauce,
It's good. That's good.
So the thing about Alfredo is that there's actually not much flavor to it.
No.
But this has some good flavor.
It's not too rich. Because sometimes, and Alfredo doesn't travel well normally.
Yeah, it's not too rich.
And it's not just like sitting in a puddle of like congealed cream.
It's more oily than like creamy.
Yeah, I'm into this.
I feel the same way about carbonara as I do about Alfredo. Like, it feels like a good idea, but then you have 3 bites and you're like, oh, this was
full.
not a good idea.
You have to be in the right mindset to eat fettuccine Alfredo or carbonara. Big pieces of bacon, peas, looks like a lot of cracked black pepper.
It smells very bacony. These are big pieces of bacon and I appreciate that. That's better than the Alfredo.
4 cheese though.
I wonder what the
4 cheese, I think of like a.
What do you think the 4 cheeses are?
I'm gonna say it's Parmesan, mozzarella,
Ricotta.
ricotta, and pecorino.
Yeah.
Hey! If I could curse, I curse right now. That's good.
Oh yes, I would highly recommend this.
Ooh, you know what'd be good with this? Some of that pepperoni from the first one. I'm a meatball snob.
I'm excited to hear what you think.
Oh, I see a little fennel seed. Is it possible there's some sausage in here? Not bad.
Okay.
It's a little dense, but I like how there's sausage in the meatball. I sometimes do that at home, switch it up a little bit, but the flavor of the meatball is good.
The spaghetti doesn't do much for me. It's just spaghetti with red sauce, but
I need a side of the meatballs.
the meatballs are good. This feels like something Evelyn fed to her kids to get their greens in.
I picture Evelyn coming home from a long day of work. She has 3 kids to feed at home, and she's like, what do I have in my pantry?
A one-pot pasta.
A one-pot pasta. Okay, Evelyn.
I eat this for dinner.
And this is gonna be good cold.
Evelyn's kids loved this growing up. Evelyn, you win. These noodles are huge.
They're huge.
Look at it.
How fun. Uh-huh. Yeah.
These noodles have a really good texture. It's like a bolognese, but with with chicken?
What? Shut your mouth hole.
I love that.
That's really good.
This is really good. So please explain to us your favorite dish from the Cheesecake Factory, pasta what?
It's the breaded Parmesan crusted
That looks
chicken
really
cutlet. It's crispy, it's delicious. Now the sauce is kind of like a tangy, zesty, spicy. You just have to try it.
Yeah, and I love a bow tie pasta.
It's really, really great. I know everyone's gonna say, you don't like chicken on your pasta. I like crunchy fried chicken on my pasta. I don't think grilled chicken's necessary on pasta. Well, muffle waffles. I have a lot of food in my mouth right now.
It tastes like chicken marsala in a pasta. I actually kind of like it. It would be hard to eat this whole bowl just because it's so sweet.
Mushrooms, chicken, tomatoes. That's shockingly good.
You know what? They cook their bow tie pasta really well.
That doesn't look great, but it actually has a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
It just smells like a taco and a fajita.
It smells really interesting and I'm really excited to eat it. Like, this is what I come to the Cheesecake Factory for. Unique dishes.
Oh.
I like it. I love it. Tastes like a fajita and pasta.
I don't know. My mouth is, my head and my mouth are doing like weird things because it smells like a fajita, but yet it's pasta, and I'm not like, the two together for me, I don't know if I like together.
I'm really enjoying it.
The flavor is good. I couldn't eat a whole bowl of this.
I could.
All right, let me try the shrimp. I know you can't try the shrimp. Let me try the shrimp. I'm weird about shrimp on pasta just because I didn't grow up eating it.
Right.
But let me taste the pasta and tell you what I think.
Well, I mean, if we were in, southern Italy, people would have shrimp on their pasta all the time.
It has good flavor.
Maybe whoever made this menu took a trip to southern Italy and was like, oh.
Angel hair is an underrated noodle. I think the texture of angel hair is phenomenal. I don't know, you can't, it's tiny, it's delicate, you feel like a elegant little lady when you eat it.
I just don't like it.
Why don't I like it?
It's not like bitey enough. Then what kind of noodles are these? They're like wavy.
But they're like thinner than fettuccine.
They call it their fresh linguine.
It tastes just like my mom's pasta. It's good.
I'm super impressed with this wide variety of pastas that they have. What would be in our pasta?
Bow tie or these guys, because there's only one of those. Or you mix a few. So we have,
maybe it would be like
it's a penne bow tie mix.
Penne bow tie mix with like a little bit of like this flavoring with a little bit of like that flavoring.
Yes,
Now
with
that's outrageous.
Now that's outrageous.
Outrageous.
What should we try next? Maybe all of the appetizers?
Thai lettuce wraps are technically an appetizer, even though I get them as my entree.
Buffalo blast, the fried mac and cheese.
Avocado egg rolls.
I think that's what we do next.
Should we do it next? Let us know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!